God's blessing from Dublin, Ireland. It was 24th of July 2022. Holy Spirit, you are welcome here. Fire of the Holy Spirit will fall on the people in the Catholic Church. Fire on those that still have fear of God. Fire on those that still honor Him with their life. Fire on those that cry about injustice. Fire on those that fight for unborn. Fire on those that fight for godly family and marriage. Holy Spirit, rain down with fire. Fire of the Holy Spirit will fall on those that long for me. Fire on those that didn't give up on me despite of everything. Holy Spirit, come. 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 Please share, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell for further notifications. God bless you.